Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your Battle.net username. So are you looking to update your Battle.net username to better reflect your gaming persona? So whether it's a rebrand or just a refresh start, changing your battle tag is straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through the process. So first, navigate to Battle.net and log in with your credentials, which I have done here. Once logged in, go ahead and click your profile name, which is in the top right corner of your screen, and you're going to see a couple of options in the drop down. You see account settings, you see wish list, you see my gift, you see redeem code, change battle tag, and log out. So just go ahead and click on account settings from the drop down menu, and that's going to walk you right into the account settings window. Now once you get into the account setting window, look at the left navigation panel or the left hand menu and click on account details. So once you're in this window, scroll down to the battle tag section. So here you have personal information, email, phone number, battle tag. So here you see your current battle tag displayed. MacMe hashtag 2535. So go ahead and click on if you haven't changed the battle tag before, you see an update option next to your current battle tag. So go ahead and click on it. Now click on it to proceed with the free change. All right, so once you do that, customize it and click on change your battle tag to proceed with the free change. Each Battle.net account is allowed one free battle tag change. So once you've done this once, you can do that again. Now if you've already used your free change, you'll see a purchase battle tag change option instead. So click on it to buy a battle tag change service from the Battle.net shop. After the purchase is finalized, you can complete a battle tag change in your account management. Now when prompted, enter your desired new battle tag. Keep in mind the following naming rules: must be between 3 to 12 characters long. Accented characters are allowed. Numbers are allowed, but the battle tag cannot start with a number. No space or symbols are permitted. Must adhere to Blizzard's code of conduct. After entering a new battle tag, click change your battle tag to confirm. To ensure the changes take effect across all Blizzard services, log out of your Battle.net account and then log back in. And there you have it, your battle tag has been successfully updated. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.